In a quaint coastal town, there lived a humble fisherman named Jack. His days were spent mending nets and casting lines, while his nights were filled with dreams of grand catches. One day, as he cast his line into the vast ocean, he noticed a curious gull perched upon his boat. The gull, unlike any other, had a shimmering white feather on its wing, glistening like a pearl in the sun. Jack, intrigued, decided to take the gull home, hoping it would bring him good fortune on his fishing trips. At first, the gull seemed to bring luck, as Jack caught an abundance of fish. The townspeople marveled at his success, but Jack knew it was the gull's feather that brought him luck. He cherished the gull, who became a constant companion during his trips. However, as time passed, the gull's presence grew increasingly demanding. It would squawk and peck at Jack, insisting he throw the fish it deemed unworthy. Jack, once a kind fisherman, began to lose his patience. He grew tired of the gull's greed and the constant struggle to keep it satisfied. One day, in a fit of frustration, Jack threw the gull off his boat. The gull, with its shimmering feather, flew off into the distance, leaving Jack alone on the sea. Jack felt a pang of regret as he realized the gull had not brought him luck, but had instead taken it away. As the days passed, Jack's catches dwindled. He returned home empty-handed, his once vibrant boat now a shadow of its former self. The townspeople no longer marveled at his success, but rather pitied his misfortune. One stormy night, as Jack sat on the dock, he saw the gull return. It landed gently on the dock, its shimmering feather still glistening in the moonlight. The gull looked at Jack with its wise, knowing eyes. The gull spoke, "You once sought my feather for fortune, but you failed to see the true value in it. It was not a symbol of luck, but a reminder of the beauty and simplicity. You traded your kindness and patience for a fleeting sense of power, and in doing so, lost both." With those words, the gull took flight, leaving Jack to ponder his actions. He realized the error of his ways and vowed to change. From that day on, Jack fished without the gull, but with a newfound respect for the simple pleasures in life. And though his catches were not as grand as before, his heart was once again filled with peace and contentment. The tale of the fisherman and the gull serves as a reminder that true fortune lies not in material wealth, but in the wisdom to appreciate and cherish the simple things in life. May we all learn to recognize the value in humility and patience, and find our own shimmering feathers along the way.